It is January. Now it's January. Well, it was January 13th, 2022, but a minute ago it was. Now it's January 14th, 2022. Chickpea tofu, ricotta, green lentil lasagna with a homemade sweet marinara, potato flour or starch, potato starch. I left off in the last recording. I ran out of space. And then chickpea tofu ricotta blend. After adding the coarsely ground Himalayan pink salt, which was approximately a level teaspoon worth, or maybe 3/4 of a level teaspoon, I had also included coarsely ground black pepper. It was about 1/4 of a level teaspoon packed in there, and in the chickpea tofu ricotta blend. As in addition to what I had included in the tomato sauce separately, to top it with was, in that case, it was about 1/16 of a teaspoon packed of coarsely ground black pepper in the tomato sauce portion. But in the chickpea tofu ricotta, it was about 1/4 of a level teaspoon worth packed of the coarsely ground black pepper. And I'd also included tamari, about 3 level tablespoons tamari. That adds 900 milligrams of sodium approximately per level tablespoon. So you'd multiply it by 3, the 900 milligrams. That's in addition to the Himalayan pink salt. The Himalayan pink salt is packed with more minerals. It's not just sodium. Okay. What else did I add? So 3 level tablespoons of balsamic, 5 level tablespoons of olive oil. And the nutritional yeast was 5 level tablespoons. The same measurements as I've been using, but I had processed it a little differently and it does taste a little different. I did also use a different brand of garlic than I would usually purchase, so that may have changed it up a little bit too. Turned out really good though, you know. I do prefer using the sweet white rice flour, and it does lower the acidity significantly when I use sweet white rice flour. Tonight I had to use potato starch again, which I've been using. I hate when this happens. That's good. I have to wrap up the rest in Ziploc bags like last time. had to cut back on the mandarin oranges. I usually run out of them. I've been drinking lemonade. It has some level of B6 in it too. And vitamin B5 helps with digestion also. I haven't checked the levels of vitamin B5 in lemons. The tamari adds helps. 3 level tablespoons of tamari and the chickpea tofu ricotta works well. I didn't add any tamari. I don't add it to the tomato sauce. I only use balsamic and olive oil and sugar. Filtered spring water. Obviously, I did the recording. Balsamic. Let's get Himalayan pink salt. Usually I use sweet white rice flour, but didn't have it. Potato starch instead tonight, like the last couple of times. In addition to the soy milk powder and the brown rice milk powder, that at least helps a little bit. It's good. Oops. It's good. 10 minutes has passed. It's good. I love that. It's good. Oh. I'll wrap up the rest in a little bit.